Have you ever boiled an egg only to find the shell cracked, the white spilling all over the pot? Or struggled to peel it only to have the shell stick tightly to the egg? Today, let's try a very clever way to boil eggs together. No need to boil water, no need to monitor the heat, but the result will surprise you. First, I prepare a paper egg tray and 4 fresh chicken eggs. I place each egg in its designated spot in the tray and close the lid. Without any special tools, I put the entire egg tray in the oven and bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. While waiting, I took out my milk carton, which still contained about 400 milliliters of milk, and poured all of it into a bowl. Next, I rinsed the carton and used scissors to cut along the 2 corners to remove 2 pieces of cardboard with pre-folded creases. We'll use these later. By this time, the eggs were done baking. I took the egg tray out of the oven and used a small spoon to gently tap the surface of each egg while they were still hot to create small cracks in the shells. Next, I prepare a bowl of cold water and soak the eggs for about 5 minutes. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Then, I place the eggs in a container with a lid. Add about 50 milliliters of water and seal the lid tightly. Instead of peeling off each piece of shell, I simply shake the container evenly for about 10 to 15 seconds. Thanks to the water seeping between the shell and the egg's membrane, the shell peels off very quickly without tearing the egg's surface. Now, just open the lid and gently peel, and you'll have smooth, intact eggs. I'll cut one open to show you. Wow, the egg white is soft and smooth, the yolk is cooked evenly, and it looks absolutely delicious. But if eating hard-boiled eggs has become too boring for you, let me share another really fun trick with you using the remaining 2 eggs. Do you remember the 2 pieces of milk carton flaps from earlier? Place the pointed end of the egg on the fold at the corner of the flap. On top, I place a bamboo skewer along the length of the egg and use a rubber band to secure both ends tightly. Do the same with the other egg. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then, put them in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes so the eggs retain their new shape. Are you wondering what we're going to do with the 400 milliliters of milk we poured into the bowl earlier? Don't worry, we're going to turn it into a delicious dish. First, I crack 8 eggs into a large bowl. I add 1 teaspoon of salt and whisk everything together until well combined. Next, I pour in 400 milliliters of milk and continue stirring until the mixture is well combined. Using a grater, I grate about 150 grams of cheese directly into the bowl. I continue stirring until the cheese is evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, I take a heat-resistant glass baking dish and spread a thin layer of butter over the bottom and sides to prevent sticking. I pour the entire egg mixture into the dish. And use a spoon to spread the cheese evenly. Finally, I will put the tray in the oven. I bake the dish at 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. By now, the 15 minutes were up, so I took the eggs out of the refrigerator. As soon as I untied the string and removed the eggs, a surprise appeared right before our eyes. The boring hard-boiled eggs had now transformed into incredibly cute heart shapes, perfect for decorating lunchboxes, breakfasts, or small parties. Now it's time to slice the heart-shaped eggs. Just look at those beautiful heart patterns, they turned out so cute and unique. Once they're neatly sliced, I'll arrange them on a plate, ready to enjoy. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After 30 minutes of baking, the cake slowly puffed up. Its surface turned a golden brown, and it gave off a rich, creamy aroma. When the time is up, take the cake out of the oven. We now have a soft, fluffy cheese egg cake that's rich and fragrant, with a very appealing color, perfect for enjoying at breakfast or as a light snack with the whole family. Slice it to enjoy while it's still hot. So today we've had a wonderful time together in the kitchen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.